Hey everyone, Invisible and Nenra here, and today we have bird-themed character elimination. Now, these are only for characters that are bird-themed or are actual birds. The characters you can vote for are Vulture from Marvel, the Penguin from DC, Red from Angry Birds, Tweety Bird from Looney Tunes, Pidgeot from Pokemon, Clockwork from Sly Cooper, Woody Woodpecker from Woody the Woodpecker, Pet Shop from JoJo's Bizarre Adventures, Donald Duck from Disney, Chica from Five Nights at Freddy's, Falco Lombardi from Star Fox, Laserbeak from Transformers, Blue from Rio, Fumikage Tokoyami from My Hero Academia, and Chicken Little from Chicken Little. Now vote for who you want to be eliminated and who you want to win.